Real estate and social media. The two now go hand in hand. Have to. There's no other way around about it. But I want to give you a couple of points on that as far as social media goes. Number one, if you're going to employ somebody from outside to look after your social media for you, not a bad idea at all, but make sure you are in control. You need to know exactly what's going on. You need to know what's being posted when and where it's going to. You need to know all these things, and then you need to have some statistics as to what's happened with those social media posts. That's just organically. And if it's paid ads, that goes way, way above any of this. That is so crucial that you're all over what's going on, how it's working, and why. The other thing with social media now, don't be so hung up on getting so many likers and followers and things like that. That's important, yes it is, but the importance of that is actually going down. The main thing now is having good content that people can relate to. Engagement with people. It might be saves, it might be shares, it might be just comments backwards and forwards with people, building the relationship, building the comments, and that is what is going to build your brand. Not so much the likes, that'll happen, but it's not as important as the engagement now. That's what's really, really critical. And if you really want to go somewhere, TikTok and Reels are the way to move forward. I noticed since we started doing them on a regular basis, still not as regular as we need to be, but since we started doing them on a regular basis, we're getting contacted by people very, very regularly to talk to them, to get out, to start working with them. It's where it's at, and that's why a lot of people now, if you wanted to grow your audience engagement, then that's where you do it. Reels, TikTok. It's a brilliant place. I really encourage you to jump on. If you're not sure exactly what to do, how to do it, get in contact. I've got a free overview and a basic how-to for TikTok, Reels, and all the short form vertical videos, how to go about it. Happy to send you one of those. You can go to town and enjoy yourself.